Honestly, Eric, I know you're an atheist. The last one with the ballistic missiles, even the defense air infrastructure we had could only guarantee it 90%, and it ended up being 99 point something percent.
I believe that you do not know what happens when Iran decides that they really want to engage. I just don't think you do.
And you don't think they're a paper tiger? No, seriously.
I think that the Persians are some of the most gifted people, and I think that Shimon Peres's old concern was we do not know how to do the game theory of a nuclear theocracy. Right? And he's like, you guys are messing around with the Palestinian Arabs, and you're missing the bigger picture that the game theory of a potentially thermonuclear theocracy is completely unknown, particularly one with an advanced concept of heaven.
Yes. Fast track. So what do we do then? You said you don't like the solution of bombing and getting rid of their nuclear capabilities.
Okay, so the key issue traditionally has been that one has two different dangers that one has to worry about, skilled players and unskilled players. And I think that it is definitely the case that there were savage leaders in this region who were extremely skilled. I think Hafez al-Assad was an extremely skilled player. I think King Hussein was an extremely skilled player. You've had many prime ministers who are skilled players. Look at Saddam Hussein taking over the Ba'ath Party. This guy spoke violence like a poet.
That's the language of the region, isn't it?
Yes, but not everybody speaks it well. I remember Ariel Sharon, translated into English, saying something beautifully. He says, what is this murderous frenzy that has descended over our Arab neighbors? Right? He divorced the concept of the frenzy from the actual humans that he would have to deal with over time. Arab diplomacy is one of the wonders of the world. I worry that we don't have enough skilled players and that people are being quite crude, and that in part that's dangerous. When you have unskilled players, you're not necessarily safer if they're a little bit less brutal, because you just don't have an ability to read each other's moves. I believe that Iran was speaking to you in a very skilled fashion. I could be wrong.
Saying?
We don't know that you really have a defense if we decide to do this thing in earnest. And you should not take comfort from your ability to shoot things down launched from Gaza to think that that is going to work